Tara first.
I thought you're number one. We love you. We had fun shopping for you today.
Hi, Mom. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
He's mine. It's the matter. He's mine. He's mine. He's mine. I got him. He's mine. He's mine. Katie, 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 Katie.
Tara's gotta go.
Okay.
Are you taping now?
Yep.
Is this gonna be on the tape that she gets at home?
I don't know.
Because our sign is done.
Just
tape us one at a time saying Happy Mother's Day, and then Diane, and then like somebody else can do it. But hurry. Maybe then we're gonna leave at 4:15.
Grandma? Yeah. The slumber party, Mom. Huh? You didn't get one. I barely came in.
It's you.
Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Let's do it. Yeah. Hi. Say, Happy Grandma's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Say, apple juice. Apple juice. Okay, do a zoom, Harold.
Go, go, go.
She likes that red light.
Oh boy, she's just gonna love it. Oh my gosh. Jessica film. My Mother's Day present. Oh, it's
And your birthday
beautiful.
present.
And my birthday present.
And
my Christmas present
and your
next year.
Valentine's present.
And my Valentine's
But see,
present.
you see the end thing is zooming, Gwen, is turning. That's the focus. Now, what my fingers are doing,
Look at the cat.
It's not turning right now. It's
well,
not.
because it's focused in, I got to go real
Okay.
close. So now it should be turning.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, it is. Once you press that button.
No, it'll turn automatically. But see, the light's right behind you, so it's making it dark inside of here.
And this doesn't need any kind of light, huh?
It has.
Say hi, Grandpa. Give Grandpa a kiss. Go like this, Jessica. Give me a kiss.
Give Grandpa kisses.
I can get real close if I push this here.
Give Grandpa big kisses. Say, I love you. I love you.
She's trying to give you a kiss.
Give me a kiss. Oh, I can't believe it.
So easy.
I can't believe it.
You are.
I am filming. Hello. How come it's all blurry?
It'll focus by itself.
It's not focusing. Nothing's in focus.
Turn it off.
When you really need it by tomorrow.
Off up here.
Express tailoring at
Your
CR.
button where your finger's at.
Introduce Healthy. New healthy choice for
Don't put
women.
food on it.
Make healthy choice your
Don't.
choice.
Not on the land.
Take a look at Stylists and look what you can do with your room. We'll create just what you want in a sofa, love seat, or chair with fabrics and designs that reflect your personal style for less than you think. Now,
There's like an
look
eye
at
in
your
there.
room.
I see
Isn't
it
it
opening and
time
closing.
for Stylists? Get 10% off any
Say hi, baby.
now through May 29th.
Oh, maybe because I I need to be working with those two buttons all the time?
No, just whatever you want in the picture.
Well, I wasn't working with them at all, but
It doesn't have to. You don't have to. It's only what you want inside of the picture.
Okay.
I even saved $1,900 on
I take it you've got it focused now?
You can't.
There's an order supreme. Can I give her some chocolate?
Why does it say index?
Diane, can I give her some chocolate?
Is up next with
Why did it say index?
lights up the scoreboard again.
Also,
Hi, you.
with the Yankees, and we'll see.
Might not be a good picture since you're right by the window.
Hello, Jessica.
No matter what car you own, you can find a buyer.
You're gonna have the Devon White sketch over the.
Across the border before you know it's gone. The profit is very high and the risk of getting caught is low. He's organized, but not always polite. A man stuck on
Hi.
and he probably won't go.
This
Oh
is
my.
hires. Mama.
Hi, Chris.
Hires.
Hires. Well,
You need to
can
talk Mom, while you're doing
you do a little commercial?
I don't know. Okay. This is.
Hi, you. You're so beautiful.
Hey, Mom.
You are so beautiful to me.
Hi.
Can't you?
This is Hires root beer. It's the best in the world. And it tastes good.
Okay, Chris, your turn.
Hi, this is Hires root beer. See, they did a little song, but I don't know it all. And see, it has artificial flavors, and it tastes great. Great.
Oh, can you believe it? Can you believe it? What a nice Mother's Day gift. Happy Mother's Day, 1980 Mother's Day.
Well, what did you think we were gonna get?
Introducing a new
Harold, how did you come about choosing a Magnavox over the other ones that you saw?
It was the cheapest one.
It was.
On sale, Mother's Day sale.
Mother's Day sale. Cheap.
Oh, well, that's nice.
It wasn't cheap.
No, but I mean, they're supposed to be a good brand, right?
Right. There's the ones that are tinier than that are the most expensive ones. They're real super tiny.
Yeah, I've seen that Sony one that's real tiny. Did you see that, Harold?
We saw some pretty cool ones. That was a Mother's Day special.
Major League Baseball.
Oh,
Eleven is thinking, maybe I'd give up fewer hits if I used a smaller ball.
oh, where's my doggy?
Now,
how do you fade this out?
Johnny Ray singles up the middle off Tommy John. Then Hawkins line down to score.
Jessica.
Where's the baby?
Give the baby a kiss, says Jessica. Oh, yeah. Give her love. Give her love. Nice baby. Nice baby. Give her a kiss. Give her kisses.
Everyone having too much fun today in Anaheim. Let's give them all a hand. Angels win the game by a final of 6-1.
Jessica,
At
where's
the
your
next result,
nose?
the Twins trying to ice the Toronto
Where's your
Blue Jays
nose?
to win their fourth straight. It's
Where's
not
your
always a
nose?
picnic.
She's pointing to the dolly's nose. Where's your nose? Where's your nose, Jessica?
Both were okay.
Jessica, where's your hair?
Twins win a wild one, 10-8.
Where's your
Other
hair?
games in the American League, the Indians beat the hapless Tigers 3-1. Oakland Cardinals beat Milwaukee. Dodgers still trying to jumpstart this season, get it going. They're in Philadelphia. They are playing in the fourth inning, and there is no score. In New York, Kevin McReynolds
Mom,
is taking
get
it
the
easy,
kitty.
taking the day off and
Where's the
left
kitty?
Right here.
Action was
I got
today
him.
in the Mets Padres game.
Where's the kitty?
Meow. That's okay. Meow. Oh, we have a green kitty now.
Hair is so cute. Can't you?
Green kitty.
You have a number 1 tape instead of
Okay.
100.
Push the red button on the side.
That's Chris.
Oh, let's get Matt on tape. Okay, just let him. Hi, baby. Okay, run. Let him run the other way. Call.
Now there's another button for outside pictures.
There is?
I gotta get a piece of balloon.
You're gonna bounce.
I know it. Oh boy, this is gonna look real bad.
You can film them putting in your pool before and after. You know?
Yeah. Oh my
Take it
god.
to Tara's drill team sessions.
Oh my gosh. Bouncer! Bouncer! Hi, Pee-Pee!
Dad said he'd like to do some things with the church with it.
Oh, I'm sure he will. Okay. Let's see how you do it outside.
How I do it
Well,
outside?
you know, I want to see how the light's going to be outside. So, well, you can do a little song and dance or anything. At least fiddle with your hair because you always do that.
Well, I don't like the way she... Well, I should say I cut it.
Yeah, you kind of did the cutting.
You guys sing your song that you sang last night.
Oh, yeah. Why not? Oh, I can't believe it. I mean, you said something really nice, but I never dreamed, you know. I thought, oh, you know.
Oh, brother, some mittens or something.
Perfume, you know.
I don't know how many stores we went to. The ladies would look at us and go, what do you want? Dad said, okay, if it's not here, we're going to go to Federated. So Tara and me and Carrie prayed in the parking lot that your quilt hanger wouldn't be there.
Oh my gosh.
Because everybody said, oh, go to Bullock's. It's there. Go to Bullock's. So we went to Bullock's.
Did you go to Bullock's?
Yeah.
For a quilt hanger?
Didn't we go to Bullock's, you guys? Didn't we go to Bullock's? Oh no, Buffum's?
Buffum's.
Buffum's? Oh my gosh.
And they didn't have it there either.
I was going to get a first class quilt hanger, huh?
Yeah, you were. A brass one at least. We went into a brass. That's what you wanted, right? A brass one?
Well, there's some nice wood ones too.
Yeah. I thought wood would look better in your room. I'm so glad we didn't find it.
I know, I guess. I guess. Okay, Chris, call Bouncer. Who's the strongest of you two?
Chris, why don't you wrestle with him like you do in the grass?
Well, this is good enough. I just wanted to see how it was gonna.
Is that Tara's flag stick? Jessica, there's the doggy.
Jessica.
Give him some food. Let the doggy eat.
Look at that's her.
Over here, Gwen, over here. Right here, Gwen. Oh, right here, Gwen.
What's that doggy doing?
Hey, the doggy.
I gotta learn how to turn this thing on and off while you're walking around.
Push the red button on the side.
Oh. Whoop. Okay. Okay.
Jessica. Hey, Jessica. Lead it to the doggy.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Carrie. You going to?
Magic Mountain.
Okay. Well, since you got me such a nice Mother's Day present, I will let you go to Magic Mountain.
What will you let me do?
I will let you eat pizza with us.
What a person.
Where's the doggy? Feed the doggy, Jessica. Oh, whoops. Oh, he's busy eating.
Hi, Mom.
Oh,
Look at Grandma.
when is Vic coming? I can tape her arrival, Carrie.
Oh, yes.
I'll tell you when she comes.
Okay. And I can do a before of my kitchen.
Before of your front yard and backyard.
This is my kitchen before I remodel it.
How about your husband's head?
This is my kitchen before Harold remodels it. This is my stove before I get a new one. A built-in one.
You're getting a new stove?
Well, I don't know, maybe.
Not after today, right?
This is my before family. And this is my husband before.
Completely bald.
Before he's lost all his hair.
Get a close-up.
Oh, Hero, you're going to love to see. Turn sideways because I want you to see what happens to your head when you chew. Let me get a close-up of this. I think your brain grows. There's definitely something going on in the frontal part of your brain.
Mom,
Yes.
two people, well, this truck went by and there were two people in the back and they went, ow! To me.
Well, don't go outside anymore. Don't crab.
Good.
You fed it all to the doggy.
Hello, Christopher.
Hello.
Give this to the doggy.
Give it to the doggy.
Where's the doggy? Bouncer.
Nice.
No, be
I
nice.
need some more.
Give the doggy some food.
Oh, here is Sittin' Pretty.
Designed by Harold Kirkhouse. Diane Ripple.
Jessica, you're just dropping it on the ground now.
Heart, 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 heart.
Do you think we should record the lottery numbers?
Yeah.
Just in case tonight's the big night? Well, hello. Well, Victoria. Now, wait a minute. I can't tell who's the adults and who's the children here.
What happened to your yard? I didn't know the train wreck was over here.
Back off. Now, wait. Let me give
You want to do a
reference.
close-up?
This is my neat garden here that Vic has referred to as...
We hate to be in front of the camera. I can hardly talk when I get in front of one of these.
I know, you get just really
I can't stand
tongue-tied.
it.
Yeah,
It's a little
right.
green thing.
Yeah.
It's on.
Let's see. This is my Mother's Day present. Can you believe it?
Gardener, that is?
Yes.
Why is it?
Mom.
What?
Oh, it's got
This
little
is my
things
friend
in
Jennifer
it.
Hi, Jennifer. How are you? You're not intimidated by meeting me with this thing hooked to my eye.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Looks like cabbage to me.
That
Look
looks
at your
like
cabbage,
primrose
Mom.
to me. That's what primrose.
No.
Oh, look at the farmers. Look at these guys.
I'm going to stairs by herself.
Okay.
With my cake, though, so I can keep it.
Okay.
No, it's darling.
She wakes up.
And I told her, I said, when I got
Index. What does index mean?
Index.
Index.
Beginning.
How come the date's not on here?
I don't know. It's your camera. It's not working.
Okay. Yeah, but it says the wrong date.
What does it say?
May.
Somebody cleaned our grill. Huh. One of the helpers there. This is how it's done.
Don't put your fingers on the front of the camera, Gwen.
Yeah, you lock the automatic focus.
Can you explain this method of cooking, Albert?
Okay, first get a close-up of what the meat looks like from the start.
Okay.
Not
This
even
is
Chef Tal knows
happy
this
birthday.
You gotta get close up.
Get a close-up of the meat. Can you see inside? What I'm going to do, I'm dredging it inside the... I'm just soaking that thing like a wet rag.
Yeah.
All right.
In beer or tequila?
No. It's we just call it magic sauce.
Okay. Magic sauce.
Right. Handed down by Magic Johnson himself.
Then you lay it on the barbecue.
Lay on the barbecue sauce.
Yes.
And then the cook does this. Just make sure it's coming out right. Mmm. That's how you cook Pac-Man.
Throw it for him.
Hold the fade button in.
Oh, look at that. And then turn it off, huh?
Yeah. Hold the cook side.
Where? Hello.
Hello.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to you.
You look very nice.
Decided to get out of my sweats. Don't do that.
Let me look at you. Okay, back up. You look so beautiful.
Oh yes, I know. Don't lie to me.
What, do you like my camera?
Yes, I love it. It's
Okay.
cute.
Well, go ahead.
I don't want you.
Well, I'll follow you up. Okay. What a shape, I tell you.
Fine. How are you? I'm pretty. Hi. You know what? Gwen, did you find your wallet? Embarrassing.
No, I never did.
You didn't find it?
I'm so bummed.
No. Hi, darling. How are you? Mother's Day. Same to you. I'm not going to kiss you. I just got lipstick all over.
You're not going to kiss Darlene?
Beautiful corsages on.
I got this one at Trish for having the most kids.
Really?
Present.
Yeah.
I beat Gwen for one.
Present.
You had all your kids there. What do I mean? Your mom's got more kids than me, but they weren't all there.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So I wasn't there.
Hi, Chris.
Hey.
Oh, what a big girl. Oh,
Gwen.
come on.
Come
here.
Walk to her. Walk to her. Would you look at that? You almost fell.
Is this your tape, buddy?
No. I want to put mine in later, Gwen, and get her going up the stairs so I can keep it.
Sure.
Try some deep. What's the name?
This stuff is cold.
Yeah. Y vienen, vente. Y les da $5 cada una. But they're good t-shirts. But they're night shirts. You can wear them at night down or wear them around the house. And so they said,
Oh,
we're
Grandma.
happy.
Huh? Oh, one of those.
You know one of these? Well, how do you for you then? And then Terry made us this.
Hey. I have that.
Have you soda, Grandma? Soda?
You haven't had one? Go ahead and get one. Okay?
Well,
Or drink the whole one. Drink the whole thing.
What if you already have one?
Well, as long as you were talking to her. As long as
Could I do it?
shake hands.
You guys must be old friends, huh?
Yes.
Drink it?
As long as you drink all of it, okay?
So,
Drink it all. I don't want to buy no half cans. The last time we found cans of soda that were half full and half.
Yeah, I should have brought the bottles, plastic bottles and pouring cups.
Because a lot of times what they do is they open up.
Okay, open your card, Mom.
oh, basically. Did you just get my shoe? I got that. They got this game. They're gonna eliminate Seattle. Okay, okay, wait.
Thank you.
And I've always wanted one.
That's in the house.
I know.
It matches her house.
Now that Marguerite's taken all hers out.
What, are you gonna swallow your water? Shut your mouth. You're gonna swallow it. Swallow it? Did you?
Give you an X-ray. I think she's dead.
How pretty, huh? Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mom.
She's got beautiful hair.
She doesn't have face to do so she looks a little bit. You know, Mom, when she doesn't feel good, her curls go straight.
Really?
Yeah. Is that weird? You want to come in the boat?
He didn't get an extra point?
Yes, you can. Do you want to come in the boat?
Yeah, she looks real different when she doesn't feel good.
Too much pressure on that guy.
Okay, this is what you do. You're gonna go.
Boy, Katie's hungry.
Okay, on count of three, move back. Yeah.
you're recording.
Yes. Turn it off.
You are recording. I know.
It's on red.
She had turn it off.
All filled.
We don't want to be recorded.
What is index?
I mean, if it was Albert, he would go like,
turn it off. Turn it off.
She brought these together.
Let's be the drill team. Here, Tara.
Drill team, turn it off.
Are beautiful.
Tara.
Wait, hold on.
We all did the wheel team. No, the wheel. The wheel.
Hi,
You have
Diane.
$50?
Diane.
$50.
We eat carne asada?
Hi.
Carne
Carne
asada.
asada.
You're shrinking now. You're growing. Okay, be the drill team.
We are the drill team for Claremont High. We are the flag girls for Claremont High.
Tennessee.
Give me a C.
C.
Give me a L. L. Give me an A. Give me an R. R. Give me an E. E.
No, like this.
E. Give me an M. E. Give me an O. O.
I like your nose, Mom.
Give me a T. T. What's that spell? I don't know. I forgot.
I don't know. I is a college graduate.
Is a college
I
graduate.
is.
That is.
I ain't.
You ain't?
I ain't from Claremont. I is from Pomona.
Look,
You're recording.
I know.
Get him a ring.
Is she waving?
Yeah.
Hi, pretty girl. She hasn't cried. You know, I walked in and she got all teary-eyed.
Did you see what she did in church? I helped her up and Diana came in and she went, boom.
She just like, she
That's
plays
what
like
you did on the
peekaboo.
camera
She like covers
yesterday.
her face. Did you see that?
The camera.
Yeah, Dad was
Carol
shooting
was-
her and she looked up and went.
How do you?